Forgot to make a picture of this. So we'll go back to the Word doc, insert, screenshot. There's that rectangle. Okay, so that's all good. The next demo will be the circle. For me, it's probably just as fast as type. All right. Again, I'll just leave it flashing the way it is. I'm going to come back to CATIA, highlight this thing here, and hit the delete and wipe it out. We'll go to the circle feature. Simply select circle, select a point position. I'm going to do this at 4 and 1, or 3, 4 and 3. Click to represent a center, slide out, and wherever you click, it's going to calculate that as the radius. Okay, so that's going to be a 2-inch radius. I'm going to click this location. That is a 4-inch diameter circle. There are other options under circle. One thing I wish it had was center point, a circle diameter, but it always goes to the radius. So we can always adjust that later. Right now we're just learning how to create those features. There are several features you'll learn in the other classes on how to manipulate all these different types of circles. I'll demo just one more. I'll do 3-point circle. So I'll come over here and I'm going to grab this point, and I like to always go counterclockwise. So I'm going to click here and click here and click over here, and that's created a circle inside of a circle. Notice in my specification tree in the geometry it shows 2 circles and the points used as the center point for each circle. They have their own point coordinates. They're not the same. So if I grab point 17, try and grab that and move it, it's really tough to do that. I never move circles like that anyways, but I'm moving point 17. That circle stays in the center of point 17. It's not relative to point 16. I'll hit Control Z to undo it, to put it back. And I'll do one more just to explain circles and all CAD software. We have arcs. All circles are created counterclockwise on all systems. So if this were my center point, my start point I could have out here. I click and all circles are created counterclockwise. So I'm going to wrap around counterclockwise and I click a position. So that is the arc command using circles. Okay, so there's several of them to do. We'll just kind of leave it there at that. All right, so that is the circle command. Again, this is important for trimming purposes, which you'll see later on. But it's important for you to know that circles on CAD softwares, again, I don't care what CAD software you're using, they all go counterclockwise because it's based off a protractor starting at 0, going to 270 or 90, 180, 270, and then all the way around to 360. All right, again, notice that I have 2 points here for my circle. That was used for the arc command. It says circle, but it's actually an arc. All right, so again, circles do full circles, partial circles, and ellipses. All right, we'll go ahead and make a picture of that one. And then, what am I demoing next? I think it's the parallelogram. All right, we just did circles, so we'll do a parallelogram next. Good thing for spell check. Okay,